Hey guys, welcome back to another video from my devlog series, The Last Castle. Hope y'all are enjoying the series. As always, my friendly reminder for newcomers that this is not a step-by-step tutorial. Although this is a devlog series, I do like to show my code for those interested. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as this will greatly help my channel out, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So first things first, we will start by adding a nice little title for when the game starts. It will show the area name, as well as when each wave starts it will show what wave you're on. After that, we will be making the main menu screen along with writing the saving system. In the next few videos, we will implement the save system and the static upgrades menu. Let's get started. Right here is the title fader. This is what controls the title fading in and out. The title fader will go on a canvas that holds two text objects, which are the area name and the wave name. Next, we will revamp the enemy spawner to control the fades between waves. Later in the video, I will have it derived from another script called Fade Manager, and then create another script called Fader, which will also derive from Fade Manager. The fader will be the fade between the main menu and the start of the game, and placed on another canvas that will just be a black screen to have something between scenes. Here I've created the UI switcher script, just a simple script to place on parent transforms of menus, which will allow you to switch between them. Right here is when we start making the saving system scripts. There will be a total of 4 new scripts: iSavable, Savable Entity, Saving System, and Saving Wrapper. The iSavable is the interface you add to any script that you want to save certain variables out of. The Savable Entity script is what you place on the game objects you want to save. This will create a unique identifier to save them. The saving system is of course the meat and potatoes of the saving function. And lastly, the saving wrapper is what we will use to call the saving function itself. In the next video, we will create the persistent object spawner to carry the saving wrapper and a few other prefabs from scene to scene. And there we have it. We will continue on in the next video with implementing the save functionality along with starting the static upgrades menu. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This will greatly help my channel out. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.